How can you factory reset your AirPods? So if you want to sell your AirPods, or you're just having problems with them, maybe you can't connect your AirPods to your phone, or one of the earbuds is not working, then resetting them can solve those problems. And the process of resetting them is really easy, so just follow my steps. This will work for the regular AirPods and the AirPods Pro, and it doesn't matter which generation of the buds you have, whether it's the first, second, or third generation. The process of resetting them is absolutely the same for all of them. You want to put your AirPods in a case, and you will see that the back of the case has this little button. The button is located just under this "Designed by Apple in California" text. So the thing that you need to do is to open up the case until you can see the AirPods just like I'm doing right here, and you don't have to connect the case and the AirPods to your iPhone, so you won't be needing the iPhone in order to reset them. Just open your case and then press and hold that button on the back for around 10 to 15 seconds, and we have to monitor the little light indicator at the front of the case. At first, it's going to start blinking white, and after that, the light is going to turn into an amber color. Here it is. So just hold a couple more seconds until this amber color turns into white again. Here's the white color after the amber one, and that means that we had successfully reset our AirPods to their factory defaults. So just long press on that back button, wait a couple of seconds, and watch the blinking light. It will be white, then amber, and then white. When you see a white light for the second time, you can let go of that back button, and that's it. That is how you can factory reset any AirPods and hopefully solve your problems. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.